about to be a
this is about to be
mayhem.
What's going on, guys? We are just now launching for the Spring Rally, RK Rally. I know I got one clip earlier, but this is about to be madness. We've got over 50 cars.
It's okay. He's
over 50 cars out here. We got dudes with
what?
A7S's. We got dudes with 1DXs. We got all sorts of stuff going on.
Cheap cameras.
And
okay.
This dude driving right now. I'm letting Parker take the first leg. It'll be good that way. And, you know, he'll get the exciting part. I'll just drive the rest. And sick launch party. Really great turnout today. So thanks to everybody that made this happen. And I've been putting stickers on all morning, so I didn't really film all this. But we got 9 hours of driving. So we'll make it work, guys. I'm pumped. Let's do it.
See you later.
Launching from M1, baby. I mean, it'll be sick. Look at that line of cars, boys. About to get real rowdy real quick, boys. Woo! Ooh. Woo! Woo! Got a sick E92 M3 behind us. And a lot of bumps. Holy shit! Vehicle merchant! Ah! Thanks for subscribing, bro! The whole squad is lit, boys. First stop. Where's this place? Arcadia Brewery? Hey,
I wasn't waving at you.
Don't run me over.
by far the slowest car here. And sick that. Wow, Jeff, the car has $2 for the camera. Boy, 4 low. Just finished lunch, going to fill up the tank, and then I'm driving the next leg. So Parker will be filming a bunch of stuff. So far, so good. I have driven my next section. We kind of got held up a little bit longer at the gas stop just because we were hanging out. And luckily, the group in front told us that the entire freeway we're on is shut down. So we're gonna try to take an alternate route. It's kind of a bit out of the way, but if we're driving, it's better than sitting in standstill traffic and having to use your clutch leg all day like we've been doing for a lot of today.
Anything's better than that in a manual car. That's terrible.
So, I mean, it's just 2-lane roads. The worst part is that semi-trucks decide they just want to stay in the left lane the entire time, and they just slow everything down so much. But we're still chugging along. We just did a really quick pit stop, picked up some food, and
then I'm gonna pull this. Oh, no.
Yeah, okay. But yeah, keep on chugging. Hopefully we make it there. This is a little bridge. It's hard to tell because of the rain. And all of these slow-moving trucks, focus. These slow-moving trucks is the traffic our friends are stuck in. Look at that. It's like standstill right there. Jeez. I think we are not in that. We're gonna get put on right after all of that, so I'm pumped. Shortcuts.
Damn.
There's the accident right there. Look at all that traffic behind them. Sorry guys, but we'll see you when we're at the hotel. we just got into our hotel room. Gonna take a nap, shower. Probably not a nap, just shower, eat, and go to the bar. Have a party. Drive, party, repeat, boys. Room tour. Huge tub. Hello. Big shower. Could have 10 people in there, which we're not going to, but you know. Look how big this room is, dude. 2 big beds. And the best part, I thought we weren't gonna have it. Check out the view of the freaking stadium. That is so cool. Dang.
All right, Ty's gonna send it. When he said he was gonna send it, I don't know if we picked up a nail or shredded the tire or what in that parking lot when he did that little donut, but the rear tire is annihilated. Check this out. This is, yeah, not a fixable tire. Reminds me of what happened to my M5 when we were out in Michigan. Look at all the rubber just absolutely shredded. Well, the M3 is actually too low for this jack to even fit underneath it, so we made a makeshift little lift here. Okay, forward. A little more. Stop. All right, well, the other 2 rocks didn't work. I think we found one that might have a chance. Oh my God. Little more. Little more. All right, stop. That's one way to do it.
Put on the pinch.
Crazy random knowledge that Ty has. Apparently older Camaro wheels have the same bolt pattern as the E46 M3. So we're using his spare tire, put it on the back, drive it to the tire shop that's literally at this exit. Hopefully they have something that can go on this rear wheel. Well, I spoke too soon. Despite the fact that the bolt pattern is the same, his rear brakes are too big for the spare to fit around it. So we're probably just gonna pull the wheel off and then take another one of these cars off to the tire shop, get a tire mounted, and then put the wheel back on. This is hilarious. So Ty's normal handbrake doesn't work, so he's bungee corded the hydro to his headrest. Well, our current problem now is not a single tire shop in the vicinity carries low profile tires. I guess because of the location we're in, they pretty much only have normal sedan and truck tires. So everyone's like 255, 40, 18. Yeah, we never carry that. This is the result of the blowout. This tire is absolutely destroyed all the way around. Yep, that's toast. Just rolled up to a tire shop. Thankfully, this place does have a Yokohama tire in the right size. So we'll be able to make that go-karting, because honestly, I was the most excited about some go-karting competition more than anything else in the rally. Well, all fixed. There is the new tire. These awesome guys here got us an actual jack, although we have to put it back onto the rock because this car is so low, we can't get it out.
Yeah, okay. Jesus Christ.
There we go. Back on the road, finally. Tire is feeling good. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much to the groups of cars that pulled over, helped Ty out, because otherwise, I mean, we could have been stuck on the road permanently on the way to the go-kart place. Follow up then.
Dude, so much back and forth.
I know, dude.
That's sick.
Plan is as follows. We're gonna go get gas first. Same place that we did before. The place that I went to yesterday only has 91. I don't care putting 91 in mine, so if you don't mind, go to the same one I do, but if you want 93. Right across the street. After that, we're gonna drive by the arch, get a couple photos, and then we're just gonna go. After about maybe 2 hours of driving, 3 hours of driving, we'll post where we're gonna get gas, maybe stop for food. And I mean, I know that half of us are dying on the inside, so like, we'll stop, food, drive another 3 hours after that, stop, food, gas, and then everybody's gonna be on their own. So let's just, you know, same rules, let's just drive safe. Obviously none of us feel very good from yesterday. Yeah, so there's no formal stops today, so just check the Telegram,
What's going on, YouTube?
Any questions? Anybody want to do anything that we didn't do already? Everybody good?
Awesome.
Well, thank you guys, and let's get moving. Morning. Turn some music on, let's dance.
What's going on, YouTube?
Yeah, Mark.
Four Loco, baby.
Attaboy. Well guys, we are now on our way back to Michigan. It is day 3 and it has been so much fun. The driving today has actually been really great. There's minimal traffic and, you know, everybody's just kind of cruising. The party last night was awesome and we're all very tired, but I hope you're enjoying the video so far. We got the M3 wheel all fixed yesterday, got to do some go-karting, and now we're on our way back.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
What an incredible weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it and putting it together for you guys. I edited for quite some time on it, so I hope you like how it came out. I have some more content planned for you guys coming out very soon. Some drift car stuff, some cinematic stuff, and a bunch of other content. So stay tuned for that. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Let me